This week's Dennis Baker State Farm Scholar Artist of the Week is senior Abby Fuller from McKinney Boyd High School. Abby is a member of the theater program at Boyd, and she is currently in Theater Production 4. Abby serves as captain of the film club, and she works on staff for the campus yearbook. Abby has a 3.4 GPA, and she enjoys volunteering with her grandmother at Meals of Love, delivering meals around the community to those in need. Abby also enjoys decorating and organizing her mother's classroom at the Sunshine and Rainbows Early Learning Center. After graduation, Abby plans to attend Collin College and then transfer to either UNT or Baylor University to major in business management. That's Abby Fuller, this week's Dennis Baker State Farm Scholar Artist of the Week.